It's a new 2019 Honda Odyssey. With its utility, stylish comfort, and desire for adventure, the Odyssey is everyone's happy place. And get ready for an impressive combination of features: streaming audio, wireless phone connectivity, dual zone climate control, push button start, manual tilting steering column, V6 engine, active grille shutters, gas pressurized shocks, and external memory control. Of the Odyssey, the Car Connection writes, it stands at the top of the minivan heap with more design flair and more driving enjoyment than most other three-row rivals. Every Honda is designed with the driver in mind. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
It would be our absolute pleasure to serve you today. Sport Honda is located at 3271 Automobile Boulevard in Silver Spring, Maryland, in the Montgomery Auto Sales Park.